Look on locksmithstoolbox.com, looking at the Sparrows crystal clear practice lock. Great thing here, it's a standard build cylinder, which is found mostly on 95% or 98% even of locks around Australia today. I'm familiar with this type of key, cylindrical. You'll see here the springs, the barrel, the core, the barrel. So in the correct key you can see the top pins. Now we have, this is a 5 pin, so you have 5 pins there. Now take this lock and use one of the easiest methods, the rake insert. I like the thinner profile tension wrench, gives me more room in the keyway, and this rake, look at that, done with a rake pick. Remember with the rake pick, just give it a touch more up and down. Me using a diamond pick, depending on your like, you can pick each pin up. Remember when the correct key was in, the heights of the top pins are all same. So it gives you a hint. You can go from the back, 1, it's a lot harder. And that's open. It's a lot harder method by picking the back pin. The next, even though they're moving, the other pins you haven't picked, the ones you have picked stay in position and you move along. It opens up. Lastly, pick gun. Just insert tension wrench. I have adjustments here. This is set. So as you go along, normally do about 4 to 6 clicks, and then just move this wheel tighter. So insert the needle, and it's open. So perhaps the quickest method. So there's a few options anyway, but when you're using this crystal clear cylinder, it just fast tracks your lock picking skills. Check it out at locksmithtoolbox.com.